Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate environment variables in Expo and React Native, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate environment variables in Expo and React Native, start by navigating to your project directory. Ensure you have the necessary packages installed for managing environment variables. You can install Dotenv or React Native Dotenv using npm or yarn. For npm, run the command npm install Dotenv. For yarn, use yarn add Dotenv. Next, create a new file in the root directory of your project. Name this file .env. Open the .env file and add your environment variables in the format variable_name equals value. For example, you can define an API key like this: API_key equals your API_key_ here. Save the changes to the .env file. Now, if you're using Expo, you need to modify your app.json or app.config.js file. Add a new section for your environment variables. For a JSON file, it should look like this: extra API_key process.env.api_key. If you're using app.config.js, you can access environment variables like so: extra API_key process.env.api_key. Next, access your environment variables in your JavaScript code. Import Expo constants to use the constants within your application. You can import it like this: import constants from Expo constants. Once imported, retrieve your variables via constants.manifest.extra. For example, you can get the API key by using constants.manifest.extra.api_key. Make sure to test the variables in a development environment first. Run your application to ensure the environment variables are being loaded correctly. If you encounter any issues, double-check the syntax in your .env file. Remember to avoid committing your .env file to source code repositories. To do this, add the .env file to your .gitignore. Now you have successfully activated and accessed environment variables in your Expo and React Native project. This method allows for better security and flexibility in handling configuration across different environments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.